Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Opendoor for investor deals. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Opendoor for investor deals, start by visiting the Opendoor website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password. If you're new to Opendoor, click on the sign up link to create a new account. Fill out the required fields, including your name, email, and password. Once you've entered your information, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Opendoor. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, return to the Opendoor website. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the Investor section from the main dashboard. Select Authenticate to begin the authentication process. You may need to provide some additional information specific to investor deals. Fill out any required forms or documents as prompted. Review and agree to the terms and conditions. Submit the authentication request. Wait for confirmation from Opendoor regarding your investor status. Once approved, you'll gain access to exclusive investor deals. Make sure to check back regularly for new opportunities. Now you are ready to explore investment options with Opendoor. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.